An executive order from President Donald Trump calls U.S. citizenship a privilege and a gift, and his administration hopes to end that for children born to immigrants here illegally or temporarily. The order is blocked for now, but will continue to play out in the courts. Our June Leffler has more from Kentucky lawyers on the topic.
It's a long road ahead for Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship.
To win it, they're going to have to persuade the U.S. Supreme Court eventually, when it gets to that level, that all of this precedent and all of this understanding for all of these years about what the 14th Amendment means was wrong.
But conservatives say Trump still has a good case.
He did not amend the 14th Amendment. He did not repeal the 14th Amendment. He simply issued an executive order that dealt with a specific class of people that he believes should not have birthright citizenship.
The 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution corrected the slavery-era Supreme Court decision that African Americans could never be citizens.
The framers of the 14th Amendment wanted to establish once and for all that anyone born here on U.S. soil, no matter their immigration status, and no matter whether they had come here to be slaves or were the children of slaves, etc., they were going to be U.S. citizens.
Birthright citizenship was strengthened in the 1898 case of Wong Kim Ark, who was born to Chinese citizens living in the States. But again, conservatives say Trump's order falls in line with that precedent.
And the distinguishing feature about that particular case is his parents were here legally, and Trump is saying if your parents are not here legally, then you don't have citizenship. I would support Trump's interpretation that you cannot break the laws of the United States and then avail yourself of the laws of the United States to gain citizenship.
If the order prevails, what would happen to so many babies born in the U.S. to undocumented immigrants or temporary residents?
They are going to be permanent second-class individuals on U.S. soil, because many of them would not be eligible for citizenship in the country from which their parents came, and they wouldn't be citizens here, so they would be without citizenship anywhere.
If we were, right, to end birthright citizenship, we would be ironically increasing the number of undocumented individuals in the United States.
Nima Kulkarni is a state representative serving the 40th District in Jefferson County, and she's an immigration lawyer.
The order also goes on to say that, no agency, right, no federal agency will issue documents that would constitute establishing citizenship, and they won't accept documents that are issued from a state or local authority, which is, of course, birth certificates.
Her clients will build lives and families in the U.S. while they're on years-long work visas and waiting in line to gain permanent residence.
Think about how that would impact you as a parent by having an undocumented child that has no rights and privileges, even the ones that you may enjoy as a temporary worker.
Judges and justices will continue to weigh these legal and practical arguments before families face the consequences. For Kentucky Edition, I'm June Leffler.